Welcome, ambitious entrepreneurs and startup enthusiasts. Today, we're tackling a crucial aspect of your pitch deck, balancing financials with your visionary ideas. It's a balancing act that can make or break your pitch to investors. Let's start with your vision. This is where you inspire, where you paint a picture of what the future could be with your solution. Your vision sets the stage, but it needs to be more than just a dream. It should be a beacon that guides everything else in your deck. Now let's talk numbers. After setting up your vision, it's crucial to ground it with solid financials. Present realistic, well-researched financial projections. This shows investors that you understand the business side and are prepared for the long haul. The key here is to link your vision to tangible value. How does your innovative idea translate into real-world market success? Demonstrate how your vision can become a viable, profitable business. Show the pathway from idea to revenue. Your financial projections should be evidence-based. Use real data, market research, and logical assumptions. This enhances your credibility, showing that your estimates are not just guesses, but are grounded in reality. Scalability is another critical factor. Illustrate how your business can grow over time. Investors are looking for both current and future potential. Make sure to highlight this aspect. Address potential risks and your strategies for handling them. This shows you're not just an optimist, but also a realist, aware of challenges and ready to tackle them. Finally, end with a clear call to financial action. Specify the investment you're asking for and how it will help both your vision and your financial plan. This clarity is essential in a pitch deck. It's not just about asking for money. It's about inviting investment in a dream that has a clear path to financial success. Remember, your pitch deck is more than just a presentation. It's a bridge between your vision and the practical world of business. By balancing these elements effectively, you can create a pitch that resonates with the imagination and the analytical side of your investors. Let's turn those visionary ideas into successful business ventures.